There's something wrong with my live oak tree. Leaves are all turning yellow. It's got leaves on the ground. It looks like fall. What is happening here? Sir, it's okay. This is a totally normal thing that live oaks do in the spring. But it's evergreen. Does this look green to you? Does that look green to you? No. Just because a tree is labeled an evergreen doesn't mean that it keeps those leaves forever. In fact, most evergreen species end up casting their leaves off in the spring instead of the fall like deciduous trees do. What? Deciduous just means that they're plants that lose their leaves in the fall and winter and then regrow new ones in the spring. The main difference here is with these evergreen trees like this, you'll actually see that they're growing new leaves as the old leaves fall off. So let's take a look. So when we look here, yeah, these leaves are falling off, but we see new leaves, we see some blooms coming on. So this tree is getting ready to grow for spring, and it's gonna shed off a lot of these old leaves because they've been there for a year or two. And it's not just live oaks that do this. A lot of your evergreen shrubs, such as photinias and hollies, and even trees like magnolias will have a heavy leaf drop in the spring. Just make sure that you're looking for that new growth coming on right behind it. But this is the time of year when we will get hundreds of customers either coming in the store or calling us talking about their trees shedding leaves when they don't think it should be the season for dropping leaves, but it actually is.